Look at this. This is not a real Hollywood movie. This is an AI-generated poster. The movie title is Mission X, and the tagline says it all. Survival has a new mission. First, I start with ChatGPT. Here, I carefully design my prompt. I describe a high-budget action movie set in a brutal desert environment. 2 elite fighters in the foreground, weapons ready, dust flying everywhere, explosions, burning vehicles, chaos in the background. I define everything. Cinematic lighting, realistic skin texture, dramatic color grading, Hollywood-style composition, ultra-detailed movie poster look. Once my prompt is complete, I copy it and open LM Arena. Inside LM Arena, I select Nano Banana, and yes, it's free. I paste the prompt, click Generate, and wait. And this is the result. Look at the depth, look at the realism, the emotions, the tension. This feels like a Netflix or Warner-style blockbuster poster. And the best part? If the result is not perfect the first time, I regenerate again and again until I'm fully satisfied. This is how I create Hollywood-level movie posters using AI. Now check my other creations. Every single one looks next level. If you want to learn this skill, subscribe my YouTube channel because AI creativity has no limits.